What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orlando, aka King Smitty, and welcome back to my trading journey. And before we get started, go ahead and like and subscribe. We're making our way up to 100 subscribers. I appreciate all y'all who's been rocking with me so far. Shout out to my new subscribers as well in the last week or so. Appreciate y'all for joining my journey. As you can see, year to date, my portfolio is up 48.95% compared to the S&P 500, which is only up 8.31% year to date. And I want to talk about two stocks. Neither one of them are my main portfolio that I'm covering here on YouTube, but it's two stocks that are like I'm swinging for the fences with, right? The first one is Bionano Genomics. And for Bionano Genomics, that is a genomics company which provides optical genome mapping for genome analysis. The company offers a diagnostic service to physicians specializing in medical management for individuals with a genomic conditions such as pediatric neurodevelopment disorders, which also includes autism. And for that stock, ticker symbol BNGO, that stock was up 10% on Friday, which was great because my portfolio was booming on Friday. Like I said, I'm swinging for the fences, but not in the short term. Short term, I'm just looking to load up and get my position established for when it does run. But I have two long calls on BNGO. Two long calls for $2 that expires on the 17th of January 2025. So that's me kind of in a sense like I'm betting that stock is going to reach $2. It gives me the right to buy that stock at $2. And I could exercise at any time before January 17, 2025. So if it shoots above $2, that contract will grow exponentially, a lot faster than a normal stock would. And I also have one other a limit order to buy a long-term hold, also expiring on the 17th of January 2025 for $1. But I'm waiting on that price to come down a little bit lower just so I can load up on that. The top two investors for BNGO, BlackRock, Vanguard, two big players in the financial industry. Institutional investors increased their holdings by 3.85% last quarter. The earnings come out May 9th, so we're still waiting on that. This company, it makes a little bit of money, but the gross expenses are kind of heavy. So they're really not profitable because they're spending so much money on not so much marketing, but supplies, operating expenses, wages for their administration. And as well, I know they had a meeting come out earlier this month, and they do have a vote going on. So I do have to go ahead and vote. I know they're talking about doing a reverse split. I haven't looked at the proxy vote, so I don't really know exactly what's all on there. But one of the main things they were talking about was a reverse split. They're trying to make the company look more appealing and more investable, so that way they can raise more money. I don't know what the split is yet. I hope it's not nothing too bad, because I don't have buku shares in this or nothing yet. But I'm going to be looking at that, and once I get the split for the reverse split, like the actual 3-to-1 ratio, whatever it is, I'll let you all know. The next stock is SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. Another one I'm holding for the long term on a big swing, high risk, high reward type of play. Recently, the company had a triple beat. They raised their company guidance, beat revenue and the earnings forecast, but yet the stock fell 20%. And I had limit orders in, and they got filled. So this is one of those stocks where every time it dips, I'm probably going to buy some more. it dips, I'm gonna buy some more, and I'll hold this for the long run because just this last quarter, SoFi added 433,000 members um, to their company, to the company, which now makes it at 5.66 million customers or members. So in this time where all these major financial institutions are failing, SoFi is continuing to grow, which is good. So once this banking crisis is over, I do expect SoFi to run up pretty fast. Um, I am looking to buy some long term holds, options that expire in 2025 on this. If the price comes down a little bit more, they are a little expensive, just a little bit, not too bad, but I'm waiting to see those come down a little bit more. But those are my two like swing to the fences in my non YouTube portfolio. So let me know what 2 or 3 stocks that y'all are holding that it might not be profitable right now, but when it does, it's like it's gonna be like a high flyer. So let me know. Those are my two main ones in my non YouTube portfolio. My one in my YouTube portfolio, of course, is Planet 13, which is profitable, but the marijuana industry isn't legal federally, so it's still kind of like struggling on that. But those are my plays. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm keeping it short this week. Just a 6-minute video giving you an update on my portfolio and letting y'all know exactly my two high flyers, potentially high risk, high reward plays. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and I'll be back next weekend. Yeah.